Roll the window down. Roll the window down now. Roll the window down or I'll break your window. Do you understand?
I know you better calm down. Hang on.
This Ohio traffic stop demonstrates how rapidly compliance failures transform a routine encounter into a multi-charge custodial arrest.
I am Officer Perk. The reason I stopped you is for multiple marked lanes violations, your speed, and then you failed to comply. Roll your window down. Roll your window down or it will be broken.
Break it. What? This is an '09 Accord. What are you breaking my window for?
Because you're rolling your window up.
What? What did I do?
I just advised you of all of that. Multiple marked lanes violations.
What do you want? Multiple
speeding.
What the fuck does that mean? I was
left of center.
Speeding.
Okay.
Left
okay.
of center.
You failed to yield back there. Okay, I can smell your brakes.
You can smell my brakes.
Yeah, I can smell your brakes burning up.
Are you a dog? What the fuck does that mean?
Okay. When you turned from Maine onto Sandusky, you went into complete opposite lane and then you took off again.
Okay. And?
Do you have your license and proof of insurance?
I do, sir. Hang on. Hang on. I don't even know where it is.
Okay. We're just not going to do that?
I heard you the first time!
Okay. Are you going to get it for me or not?
Are you fucking deaf?
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out if you are. Are you going to get that information for me or not?
You know what? I'm trying to open my fucking door.
What's going on tonight?
I'm sure. What do you mean what's going on tonight? Nigga, are you deaf?
No.
I'm trying to go in my house.
Okay.
Are you fucking dumb?
No.
Apparently you are. You're fucking retarded.
Okay.
I'm trying to get my shit.
Okay. Do you know where it is?
I'm trying. Damn. Are you blind?
No.
Apparently you are.
Okay.
Hang on.
So, do you have your license and proof of insurance?
Yeah, hang on one sec.
Stop. Stop. We're not. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
I'm just trying to call my boy.
You don't push on an officer.
You're under arrest. You understand?
Oh, I love it. That's so funny. Hang on. Can I call my boy?
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Let go. Stop grabbing him.
I
Quit.
just want to pull my pants up. Pull my fucking pants up. God damn, can you pull my pants up? Damn it!
Quit yelling. Don't move.
Pull the other side up. Fucking retarded. So fucking hard.
Yeah. Four Loco.
Under Wern v. United States, the officer's articulation of marked lanes violations and speeding satisfies Fourth Amendment reasonableness. Pennsylvania v. Mims authorizes officers to demand vehicle exit. Refusal to lower a window during a lawful stop justifies escalated commands. Physical contact with the officer potentially triggers R.C. 2903.13 AC5, elevating exposure to felony assault on a peace officer. Atwater v. Lago Vista permits custodial arrest even for minor offenses, foreclosing constitutional challenge to the arrest itself.
Yeah. Operating vehicle while under the influence of illicit controlled substance or illicit metabolite of a controlled substance. Operating vehicle after underage alcohol consumption. Or having physical control of a vehicle while under the influence. If you refuse to take any chemical test required by law, Your Ohio driving privilege will be suspended immediately.
I'm sober as fuck.
Okay. Well, I have to read it to you either way, okay? So, if you refuse to take the breathalyzer test tonight, okay? If you have no priors within the previous 10 years, your license is automatically suspended for 1 year.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Ohio Revised Code 4511.19b imposes a stricter .02 back threshold for operators under 21, 10 times stricter than adults. The implied consent advisement under RC 4511.191 is administrative, not testimonial, and triggers no Miranda obligation per Neville. Berkemer v. McCarty confirms roadside questioning is non-custodial. Statements before formal arrest remain admissible without Miranda warnings.
Okay, so if I do this and I don't pass it, right? Because I probably won't. Let's just be real. We're in a real scenario. And,
Sorry, go ahead. I had to tell him to turn his radio off because it'll mess with the machine.
yeah, turn your radio off and mess with the machine. Okay, so if I don't pass it, then what?
I mean, you'll still go to court, either way. Mm-hmm. Okay. You know what I mean?
And be like, hey, I was too drunk. If you're gonna get fucked up, intoxinalizer is the name to use for it. For sure. Mm-hmm.
Do you have your phone on you? Go turn it off.
You guys, I'm sorry. My mom and dad are gonna be so upset with me.
Step up there, turn your radio back on, get the time to stop. Thanks.
For what reason?
The time of stop?
Yeah, what the fuck does that mean?
I have to put, it's the time that I tried to stop your car. I have to put that in.
Which one of you motherfuckers pulled me over?
That was me.
Oh, yeah. So you think I was doing something wrong? I was just driving.
Okay. Do you need me to make a phone call to your sister to make sure she is aware?
Oh,
Okay.
she's taking care of my son.
No, I'm saying to make sure she knows what's going on.
She doesn't care what's going on.
Okay.
I just want her to take care of the child and I know she is.
Okay, perfect. I just want to make sure everything was good there, okay?
My mom and dad will be the ones that just disappoint when I just don't show up to church.
Well,
The fuck is it?
this is just a mouthpiece
For what? What
For
are we
the-
testing for?
for alcohol.
I'm sober.
Okay.
I'm so sober. Guys, what do we have to test for alcohol for? I was almost home.
Okay.
No, you're saying okay, but I know you're smarter than that. We were almost home. So what the fuck you mean okay? You're gonna ignore me?
All right. Let's go ahead and grab this end here.
Oh god, you're gonna ignore me.
I'm not ignoring you.
No, you are.
I'm not. Take a deep breath
You
in.
are.
Take a deep breath in. Hold on. Listen to me. Stop. Stop for a second, Ashley. Okay. Remember, you got to take a deep breath in. You got to create that tight seal.
Literally, just
Okay.
suck the soul out of this shit. What do you want me to do?
You're not inhaling. You have to exhale.
Oh,
Okay.
exhale.
Yes. All right. So take a deep breath in and then create that tight seal. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hold on. Take a breath. Stop for a second. Okay. Take it out. Take it out of your mouth. All right. Remember, you have to go as long as you can. Okay, with that tight seal. All right. So go ahead and take a deep breath in.
You try to do me dirty.
I'm not.
No, you are.
I'm not. I promise you. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Create that tight seal. Go as hard as you can for as long as you can. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You can't stop early like that. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
But
Take a deep breath in.
no, listen. Listen to me.
It's on a time limit. Okay? If it times out, then that's considered a refusal. I'm not trying to have that happen to you.
Okay. But listen.
It's not taking your test because you keep stopping. You have to blow as hard as you can for as long as you can. Keep going, keep going, you have to keep going. Remember, you got to...
I am.
Okay. All right, I'll go ahead and take that.
I don't even know if I should do that. You know what I mean?
I don't.
Okay, but hear me out.
I'm listening.
Hear me out. What would you do if your wife, fiance, whatever, got pulled over, right?
Mm-hmm.
Would you want her to listen to it? Or be like, nah, I ain't gonna do that.
Would I want my wife...
Tell me, would you want her to do it, or would you want to be like, nah, babe, skip it?
Skip what?
Skip whatever the fuck I just did.
I can't give you any legal advice.
You can't give me any just fucking normal advice?
No, I'm not allowed.
For why?
Well, it's just bad practice. Okay? I don't want to persuade your decision either way. You know what I mean?
I'm literally just asking the question.
I understand. Okay.
I've never been in trouble for nothing.
So you can't even say that with a straight face.
No, because I'd be a reckless driver. And I'm not ashamed of it.
Okay.
Because these fucking retards be driving like crazy.
Yeah, sometimes.
So I can be straight. I can be straight.
Okay.
But I do want to go home at the end of the night and see my child.
Well, I mean, that's not up for me to decide.
It's not up for you to decide. What's your opinion?
What do you mean?
Because I don't ask that. What's your opinion?
I can't give you my opinion.
What can you give me?
I can give you the facts as to what happened tonight, and that's all I'm allowed to give you.
Nothing happened tonight.
Okay.
It was a little reckless. What happened tonight?
Apparently just a little reckless driving.
It was a little reckless. And?
You tell me.
What y'all gonna give me?
What do you mean? What do you mean, what am I going to give you?
What the fuck is this thing?
It's going back through its self-test again. Stop. Don't do that. Just leave it alone, okay?
Just push it. I was pushing it. No, I was pushing it.
Okay, just leave it where it is now, okay? Alright?
I just want to go home, you guys.
Okay. You gotta do that one more time, alright?
What?
It takes 2 samples, okay? And the official result is the lower of those 2 samples, okay?
What?
Okay. Same thing you did last time, alright?
No. Can I call my mom?
We can make some phone calls after this.
No,
Okay?
I want to call my mom.
Okay. Ashley, listen to me. Remember this. Remember.
My mom. I know I'm an adult. I know I should know better.
I'm not
but-
saying that. Okay.
No, I'm saying that because
I'm trying to
I
remind
know
you
better.
that this
I
is on a
should
time
know
limit.
better. I should know.
Okay.
But I want to call my mom.
Okay. Ashley, we can take care of that, but remember, this is on a time limit, okay?
Okay.
All right? I don't want that to penalize you just because you're upset. Okay? We can get to making phone calls, okay? Mm-hmm. Go ahead and take that. All right? There you go. Take that deep breath in. All right, exhale as hard as you can. Hold on. All right, there you go. Keep going for as long as you can. Okay, let's see. We'll see if it took it, okay? Careful.
I don't want you to fall, okay?
Okay, it took it that time, all right? Okay, so you can go with them, all right? You can go with them, all right? I gave them your phone if you need any numbers out of it, okay?
You guys, I'm really disappointed. I'm really disappointed.
Well, actually, we're gonna go right The faster we get through our process, the faster you can call your mom.
I'm really disappointed in myself.
I get it, but we gotta get through this process, okay?
The driver's spontaneous admission of reckless driving falls outside Innis interrogation, remaining admissible as an exception to hearsay. Her question about failing the breath test is a tacit admission undermining sobriety claims under Ohio Rules of Evidence 801 D2. Officer Perk earns a B+ for articulated cause, professional restraint, and proper refusal to render legal advice during processing. The subject earns a D-. First Amendment protection of speech does not extend to noncompliance, document refusal, or self-incrimination. Lesson 1. Invoke silence early. Anything beyond identification can supply probable cause far exceeding the original stop's scope. Lesson 2. Comply physically, contest legally. Roadside resistance creates new charges. Courtroom challenges preserve constitutional remedies. Lesson 3. Officers who articulate cause on camera and maintain composure produce the strongest evidentiary record for trial. Let us know which legal topic you'd like analyzed next. Thanks for watching, and check our second channel.